All right, let's look at a quick review of factoring and solving by factoring. So in the first four examples, we are factoring. So for number one, you want to factor this problem so that we have the factors of 121 that sum to 22. In this case, this is a perfect square trinomial. So it'll be x plus 11, which we could also rewrite as x plus 11 squared. And number two, this is an example of a GCF. So first we're going to take out a 5, leaving me with a squared minus 4. And then hopefully you notice that a squared minus 4, once we've removed our GCF, is a difference of squares. So it factors as a minus 2, a plus 2. So that 5a squared minus 20 simplifies to 5a minus 2, a plus 2. And then looking down here, once again, very first thing I notice about example number 3 is that I'm going to take out a GCF. So we take out a GCF of a 3, and we can take out a GCF with the a's. So I'm going to take out an a cubed because that is the highest shared exponent power. So taking out 3a cubed from the first term leaves a squared. 6 divided by 3 leaves 2. Taking out a cubed leaves a. 9 divided by 3 leaves 3. And taking out a cubed takes away all of our variables. So I have 3a cubed down in front, a squared minus 2a plus 3. So I'm going to simplify and reduce that one more time. So you have 3a squared carried along out in front. That's our GCF, doesn't go away. And then we refactor a minus 2 plus 3 as a minus 2, a minus 1. Sorry, that does not work. So what we notice is upon taking out our GCF that is the highest powered GCF, and this is prime. So a squared minus 2a plus 3, there are no factors of positive 3 that sum to negative 2 because 3 is only 3 and 1, and since this is positive and that is negative, they both have to be negative. Okay, and then over here we have 3h squared plus 2h minus 16. So this is a case where you're going to make your magic x. 3 times 16 is negative 48. And then you need two numbers that multiply to negative 48 that are 2 apart. So that's going to be 8 and 6. And since this is positive, 8 is positive and 6 is negative. 8 minus 6 is in fact 2. And then they're a difference of 40, or multiplication to 48. So that gives 3h squared minus 6h plus 8h minus 16. And then what we're going to do in our next line is factor by grouping. So we're going to bring that back along with me. But now I'm going to regroup this. So we're going to group the first two terms. And we're going to group the second two terms. And then we're going to take out our GCF. So both 3 and 6 have a GCF of 3. So we take out our GCF of 3 in this case. And we're also going to take out an h. So taking out a 3h from here leaves me with h. Taking out a 3h from here leaves me with a negative 2. And again, you can always check multiplying back in. Here we're going to take out an 8. And that leaves you with h minus 2. So what we're left with inside matches what we brought out. So that means that this final factor is 3h plus 8. and h minus 2. Okay. And number 5, match the problems with the signs of the factors. So a minus, positive, means that both factors are negative. So this would be a double I. And then letter B, positive, positive, that's I. And letter C, a negative and positive, that is 3. They are going to have different signs. So again, just a quick review before you continue working on the next page in your packet. Have a wonderful day.